In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Kit. We'll walk through this from inside your Kit account so you can follow along on your own screen. Once you're logged in, start by heading to the main navigation and look for the section labeled Grow. This is where Kit keeps all of its tools for building your audience and capturing leads. Go ahead and click on Grow, and from the options that appear, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is the area where all your existing pages live and where you'll create any new ones. Next, we're going to create a brand new landing page. Look for the button that says Create New. When you click it, you'll see a few choices for different types of assets. Select Landing Page. This tells Kit that you want a full standalone page, not just a small form or pop-up. Now you'll see a list of templates you can use to get started. To keep things simple and effective, choose the template named Abby. This one is a popular starter template and gives you a clean, well-structured layout that works for most use cases, whether you're promoting a newsletter, a digital product, or a simple lead magnet. Once the template loads, you'll see sample text on the page. Click directly on the main headline text to start editing it. Replace the placeholder copy with a clear, compelling headline that explains what visitors are getting and why it matters. You can also tweak any supporting text if you like. But for now, focus on making that main headline as straightforward and benefit-driven as possible. After adjusting your text, move up to the top or side panel and find the gear icon labeled Settings. Click on that, then look for the section called Incentive. This is where Kit manages what happens after someone submits their email on your landing page. Inside the incentive settings, you'll see an option that says Send Incentive Email. For this walkthrough, we're going to turn that off so Kit doesn't automatically send a separate incentive message. Uncheck the box for Send Incentive Email, then click Save to apply your changes. This is important so your settings are actually stored before you publish. Now you're ready to make the page live. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish. Kit will process for a moment, and then your landing page will be available on the web. Once it's published, Kit will show you a unique URL for your new landing page. Copy this URL and you can share it anywhere you want, in emails, on social media, on your website, or inside your other marketing channels. That's all you need to create and share a simple, effective landing page in Kit.